guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can adjust the settings on a channel on Discord. So go to edit channel, and here's where you can adjust a lot of stuff. You can change the name, you can age restrict your channel, you can change the bitrate, the video quality, user limit, and the region override. There's also permissions, invites, integrations, and you can even delete the channel here. But if you don't want, you're just going to press cancel. Oh, it's quite laggy. But for instance, you do change something, make sure you save it here. That is basically it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!